Good morning children, back to the class. So for 7th students, MSc we are going to see moral science. Yesterday I have told you the lesson 10. What was our lesson 10? Never quit. So today we are going to see the new lesson, that is do good, be good. So here only we can understand do good and be good. So do good means we have to do the good to others, then the good will be coming to us. About this quotation only the full lesson is going to be on this two words. So let us see what is that. So this is about the in India, as we see before we go into the lesson. Let us recall. In India we have many religions, isn't it? So this is the place, only the place, the India. We are proud to say that we are Indians. We stay all of us together. All the religions we stay together. So we respect each other religion and we go to them and we join in their happiness and they come and join others' happiness. Like this we enjoy. So here what happened? India has many religions. All religions believe in God. Everybody believes in their own God. They call God by different names. So each person calls the God in different name. Yeah, some are liking Jesus Christ, some are liking Allah, some are liking Shiva. So Hindus they worship different gods. In different Christians they pray to Jesus. Muslims they pray to Allah. And Buddhists they pray to Buddha. The next one, there are so many religions, and in every religion they worship their own gods. So here also same thing. And today we are going to see about one religion. In that religion, what we are going to learn, we will see. Islam is a religion followed by Muslims. So this Islam religion is followed by Muslims. Prophet Muhammad is the founder of Islam. Who was the founder of the Islam? Prophet Muhammad. The Prophet Muhammad is the So he is the founder of Islam. He is the founder of Islam. So he what he said when he was the age of 40 years. In the age of 40, he started. He developed the. He felt that I have to decide. Means conviction that he had been chosen to be a prophet. So that time, in the age of 40, he realized that the God has chosen me as a prophet. As a prophet means what the prophet work. The prophet has to go to the different places and spread the God's news. So and that he was given the task of spreading the belief of Allah. So belief of Allah. So about Allah, he has to start proclaiming about him. He has to spread his good news. So he faced when the prophet is coming. If anybody is not now we all are just beforehand. If the person is coming and speaking about another religion, so there will be so many problems. Some will not like it. Some will be fighting against, and some purposely the political leaders or some other people purposely they want to put the poison and they want to make within us. They were before that Britishers, you see, they came to our country and they started to develop their business. They made us to like a slaves, and they when we all our people were coming together, they had shown the differences. You are a Hindu, you are a Muslim, so why you both are going together? He is your enemy. Like that they have created. Before that also we all were together, we all were happy. The old age time onwards in India, we all were together. But some people, so like this only when the prophet started his preaching about the Allah, there are so many difficulties. So many people were opposition way, in opposite way, there were so many struggles for him also. So in military activities, political negotiations, etc. was there. Prophet Muhammad became the most popular leader in Arabia. So in Arabia, where the place of Arabia. In the place of Arabia, he became a very popular. Who became he? He became a very popular person. Islam was firmly established throughout the area. So in Arabia, throughout the full Arabia, they live only the Muslims there. So that area fully was established, and they all were believed in a God Allah. So the next one, this was one side. Other side, the Quran is the holy book of Islam. What was the book? Each religion has a different books. Like Hindus, we have the Bhagavad Gita, and the next one Ramayana. So this both we believe that holy books of Hindus, and Christians they believe that Bible is the holy book of Christians. And then same way Muslims also believe that Quran. Believe means they believe that Quran is their holy book. That was the what they believe. The angel Gabriel itself has told him. The Gabriel itself has given them. So what they did? The book, that the holy book is dictated by angel Gabriel to the prophetess. So directly the angel from the heaven came and dictated to the prophet how to write. You write, these are the words you have to write. So they believe in that. So the Holy Quran says, in that Holy Quran only, the one quotation we are taking. If you do good, you do good to yourself. What they telling? If you do good to others, you are doing good to yourself only. If you do the likewise, if you do evil, you do evil to yourself. If you are, let me make him to cry, then somebody will make you to cry here. So when we are doing the evil things to others, surely the evil things only will come and attack us. So this is the way we have to be very careful. Next, it is a law of nature that whatever action we take in this world, there is always reaction. If you do good, we stand to gain a good reward. If you do bad, you should accept the bad outcoming automatically. So automatically whatever the bad is coming, we have to take this. So that only here mainly, not only in Quran, everywhere this is the fact we have to realize. When we are good to others, the good will come. We are doing the good, we are helping others. So surely somebody will come and help us. The person is, one student is very poor in education, but you are very good. But when he is asking you help, otherwise without asking, you yourself, if you have gone to him and explain and you make him to understand, means you also will get more knowledge, isn't it? So that first of all, we have to keep our mind as a good person. So if you are heartfully, when we do the good to others, the same good will come. But instead of that, without any mistake, you are blaming him, you are giving complaint about him to the teacher or the principal and making him in a trouble, means surely the same trouble, same way, somehow or other way, you also will be struggled. Somebody also will be scold you more than that. So that's why knowingly we should not hurt anybody. We should not blame unnecessarily anyone. What is the good? We always be a good nature, then the nature also will be give you the good thing. So everything, whatever our action only, there will be a reaction. According to our action, there will be a reaction. So that's why before we do any action, we have to think 100 times. Then only we have to go for that action. Because the same action will reflect to us. It will react towards us one day. So that is the reason we have to be very, very careful when we are going to talk to others. There is a one way they say, once anybody beat within a 5 seconds or within a day, your anger and pain also will go. But if the person is saying any word, that word will be recalling whenever you see that person. So the word will, if any time anything happen, the words what we say affect the person very badly. So that's why before our tongue is, we have to control the tongue. We have to think and speak about others, because it is the tongue simply, it will be moving up and down. We speak plenty of things with the help of the tongue. That help only makes us sometimes to misbehave with others. So that we have to be very careful, because whatever we do, that will be a reaction toward, same reaction we will be getting. So we have to be very careful before we speak to others anything badly. So here, all these things Prophet Muhammad was teaching. The Quran, Holy Bible is saying that do good, then you be a good, so you will get the good. So all this we are. Then one companion was very much, he loved this quotation. He was very happy with these things. Then wherever he go, the Prophet Muhammad companion started to repeat this version there. If you do the good, so what the quotation? If you do good you do good to yourself. Likewise, if you do evil, the same thing you do evil to yourself. This was, he was repeating and going. And there was one lady, she did not like this quotation, and she was not at all interested in Prophet Muhammad. His speaking, his message and all, she is not. Maybe some other reason, what reason we don't. So what, whenever she heard this companion is continuously saying, then she was little irritated, not little, more only. Then she decided, she thought, I don't want to hear this sound again. Then she committed a, do the mistake there. So one evil. So then what she did, she prepared the sweets, and in that sweet, she put the poison, and she prepared the sweets and she packed nicely, and she has given to that companion. Because the companion, these messengers, those who are following, what they will do, if anybody gives with the love, they receive and they eat. So the companion also has taken, and there he was going out of the place, some other city, out of the city he is going. Then when he was going with that sweets, he thought, let me take these sweets with me. Then on the way, if I feel hungry, I can have it, he thought. Then when he is going, he met two men, two boys, two men were coming that side. And when he saw them, he understood that because long time was they are walking, their body and their face is very dull and they are very hungry, he felt. Then immediately he asked them, are you hungry? Means this. Then he gave that sweets to them. But actually he is not knowing that that is his poison sweets. Because he did not know what the woman had done. Then with a good heart only he has given to them. You eat and then your hunger will be less. Then as they ate, they both were died. They collapsed there and they have died. The news was, the news of the death reached the Medina. Medina is the place where the Prophet Muhammad lives. Then Prophet Muhammad called and told that you arrest the companion and bring to me. Then when he brought, he related, so he started related, means he started to tell the truth to Prophet Muhammad. I did not know that was the poison sweets. I was not at all knowing that one lady has given. So when they brought the lady was surprised to see the two dead bodies in front of her. So what was the true surprise? Why she was very surprised? She started to cry loudly. She started to cry loudly there. What was the reason? That the two dead bodies were her own sons. So that both sons went out for the journey and they were coming back home. So the both were the sons of this lady who has given the poison sweets to the companion. So here only we can understand, and she has in front of Prophet Muhammad, she has told the everything whatever she has done, why she has done. Then everybody there, those who are there, they all were surprised to see what the Prophet Muhammad, what the Quran is saying. So that was the real. So the action, for every action there is a reaction. She has done the evil one, so the same evil came to her. So seeing this one, they all were surprised, and this was a good example of for all the people, those who were standing in front of that court. So they all were realized. So then it shows how one. So what the we do everything that as a reflection is clearly everybody has seen there. So you also you do when we are doing any good or bad things, immediately there will be a reaction. We get that day you will be escaped, but there is a day surely we will be getting and we will be in the trouble. So dear children, I say to you all, be a good children, do the good to others so that the good only will come to us. So once if you start doing the evil, then you also will get the same reaction in your life. So that is the reason, listen and learn the good things and be good children. It teaches us to do good to others just as like others do good to us. So whenever we do the good, you think that one day this good will be coming back. So maybe late, sometimes it becomes a late, but surely for the action, reaction will be there. So without the action, reaction is coming means that is we cannot surely somewhere we have done the mistake. That mistake only now it is we are finding and we are taking as a struggle. So that's why before we do anything, please be careful, and this is the lesson about the do good and be good. I hope you have understood the lesson. I will give you the question and answers and textbook exercises. Please do it in your textbook so that and complete the copy. And you have to write the key values also. In a PDF, I will not be giving you key values, but you have to write, and after each question and answers, you have to write the key values also in your copy. Thank you.